They say an avoidant would never fully give themselves to you, but that's not the whole truth. The truth is, an avoidant can become deeply obsessed with you, but only when you stop chasing and start embodying a presence they can't ignore. An avoidant fears closeness, but they also crave it in small, controlled doses. The more you try to convince them to choose you, the more they'll pull away. So instead, give them space, but fill that space with your own energy, your own life, your own glow. Post pictures of you enjoying life without them. Laugh louder, live softer, look radiant. Let them see you thriving in a world where they are not the center. And here's the secret. Avoidants are drawn to mystery. Don't overshare. Don't explain every move you make. Let them wonder where you are, who you're with, and why they suddenly feel this urgency to be near you. Your calm detachment will feel safe to them, but your presence will still feel magnetic. You're not available on demand, and that makes them lean in. Faceless Diaries.